I've done lots of videos about how to quickly and naturally improve and fix erectile problems. So make sure you also view similar topics in my channel or blog. And I mention all this because today's question asks, is there anything better than Viagra for fixing or helping erectile dysfunction? And the person continues to ask, I ask because it doesn't work for me very well. And my friends who have used it, being Viagra, said after a few years the drug didn't work very well for them anymore. So the answer is yes, there is something much better than Viagra, and it will work every time for every person. First, know that Viagra and similar PDE5 inhibitors such as Cialis and Levitra do not fix erectile dysfunction, which should be your primary goal, to fix it. You want to fix the underlying cause so you don't need to take drugs and you can perform whenever you want, just like when you were younger. Now, these drugs, PDE5 inhibitors, basically improve blood flow to the penis, allowing you to get and maintain an erection, which is cool. Know that about 40% of users, at least, these drugs do not work. And another 20% of the people can't take these drugs due to the negative side effects. So that can be up to at least 60% or more people who can't take drugs such as Viagra. Ironically, these drugs work better in younger guys who don't even need them. Sadly, the older guys, who do need them, they don't work as well, or simply, again, they can't take them due to the negative side effects. And sadly, the longer and more often you use them, or basically any drug, the less effective they become and the higher the dose you'll need. And of course, that means more side effects. And the reason these drugs don't work for many guys or don't work correctly is because the underlying problem or cause is never fixed. And that's typically incorrect hormonal balance. Basically, for example, having low total and free testosterone levels, in addition to having incorrect or unbalanced levels of other hormones, such as female hormones like estrogen and prolactin, and stress hormones like cortisol, as well as insulin and also DHT, that's that quote-unquote hair loss and prostate problem hormone. Again, your goal should be to fix and optimize these hormones once and for all so you can naturally get an erection and improve sexual performance whenever you want without the use of drugs. And one other important thing to note is that poor erection quality is also linked to potential problems linked to the heart and blood pressure and also the brain and circulation and so forth. So it's not just the erections that suffer, your entire body does. And I mention all this because I want you guys to just feel more confident. And I want you to have a safe and healthy and long-term solution, because we both know that if you don't fix this problem, and the older you get, the worse the problem can and typically will become. Now the part you've been waiting for, all right? What is better than Viagra and similar PDE5 inhibitors? Well, it's a drug called trimix. Now, trimix consists of 3 active ingredients or drugs. So the first drug is called alprastadil, and this is a prostaglandin, PGE1. Basically, it acts as a vasodilator and hence improves blood flow. And this can actually be a standalone drug found in drugs called Caverject or Edex, but it's one drug of many in the trimix. Now, the second drug is called phentolamine, and that is also a vasodilator. And the third drug is called papaverine, which is an alpha blocker, or more specifically, an alpha adrenergic antagonist, which again acts as a vasodilator. Basically, we have 3 different drugs which work differently than a PDE5 inhibitor such as Viagra, yet have the same basic goal, to increase blood flow to the penis. However, trimix is very direct, and it basically works, again, every single time for every person, right to the penis. Now, the other benefit is that it works quickly, within 5 to 10 minutes. Unlike Viagra, which can take up to 30 minutes or longer, or Cialis, which can take an hour or longer. And typically, trimix will last about 45 to 60 minutes, so it's in and out of your system fairly quickly, so there are no lingering side effects. However, there are some very important things to note if you're interested in using trimix. First of all, it does require a prescription, and most doctors won't give you one. Secondly, it's typically made by a compounding pharmacy, so it's not just quote unquote sitting at the shelf at your local pharmacy. It's specially formulated for you and it needs to be refrigerated. And here's the biggest thing to know. It's injected directly into the penis. Yep, a big turnoff for most guys, all right? That injection in the penis can be scary. Honestly, trimix is a last step method for getting an erection. It's used more by guys who have circulation problems, such as maybe an injury to the penis, or if you're diabetic and so forth. Basically, you have vascular problems. However, I do know a bunch of guys who do use it due to incorrect use of steroids and testosterone, which has basically created a whole hormonal imbalance situation. But you ask, what's more effective than Viagra? And trimix is it. And as I stated, it works every time for every person. However, please ask your doctor if you want to use it. All right, it does come with some risks. However, you need to first fix the underlying problem, and that means optimizing, balancing your youth hormones, and for sure, boosting your total and free testosterone levels. With that said, I've listed important information at the end of this video and below in the description area, such as natural alternatives to Viagra, as well as one of my favorite vitamins for boosting your testosterone levels and promoting youthful hormone balance.